Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to view contacts stored in Google account on Samsung Galaxy A15 device. Whether you are using a computer, Android device, or even an iPhone, accessing your contacts stored in your Google account is a breeze, allowing you to effortlessly view, edit, and manage your contact information from anywhere. Okay, and then how to do that on this device? Let's go to the tutorial. First thing first, please open the settings menu on your device. Okay, and then please scroll down. And then choose Google option. Okay, here if you have many Google account, you can click side arrow here. And then you can select your account. Well, and then you can click manage your Google account option. After that, in this page, slide please to people and sharing option. Well, and then now you can select contact. And then here will be there all of contacts stored in your Google account. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to view contacts stored in Google account on Samsung Galaxy A15 device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.